Hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope you I got something new for you here. And while I was surfing around on the internet, I stumbled across this guy. He's got a pretty amazing channel. The channel's called Code Crafts. He basically does UI designs, and he uses Ionic on the back. The interesting thing, though, what he's doing is that he is. Let me turn this down. The interesting thing that he's doing, though, is he's just building out the UI, right? He's not really adding any of the underlying functionality. So his expertise, or for what he's putting out, is just UI stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the best UI guy. So, but I'm always trying, as I said, trying to find interesting ways to show some functionality. So if you take a look at what this guy's done, as I do an advertisement for his YouTube channel, you check out his source code, and you take a look at his source code, and it's the style, it's the HTML style. And then if you go back and you look at the code, what he's got for code here is he's just setting it up. He's not connected to back end. There's no business logic, like none of the other stuff is there. So what I'm going to do, and what I've started to do, also this is written in Angular. So what I'm going to do and what I've started to do is I am porting his application two things. First, I'm porting it to React. So this is a version of the same application, partially done so far, using his UI, implemented the Ionic components. It's really nice, clean UI, but there's no business logic behind it. It's not connected to anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two things. I'm going to find some interesting content like this gentleman's online. I'm going to, as I did, I gave him his props, and I'll promote him as I promote my video. And I'm going to port it to React. And along with porting it to React, in some cases, I'll actually demonstrate how you might implement the state machine to, potentially manage some of the data. Also, as you can see, I've compiled this and deployed it onto an iPhone. So I've integrated capacitors, so places where you might need a capacitor plugin. I'll throw the plugin in and use this as an example to show how two things: a, powerful Ionic is and the amazing things that you can do with it. So as you've seen, I'm taking a project that was written in Angular. It's porting basically the UI over to Ionic because, as you can see, like a lot of the components are the same. Actually, the components are the exact same, and you can build amazing things. So look forward to more content like this coming up from me. Take a look at the project and tell me what you would like to see added to it first. I mean, clearly we'll add some authentication, and I'll add a state machine to it to support the authentication and managing state. And then maybe we'll figure out how we're going to load some basic products into our product catalog and kind of get everything connected here. But it's amazing UI. I think it's a great way to demonstrate the power of Ionic, teach folks React, and then maybe after I get part way through with React, I'll switch over and I'll port it to Vue. So once again, thanks for stopping by the channel. Hope you enjoy the content. Please, please, please make sure you like and subscribe. Retweet, share. I'm trying to get my subscriber count up. Thank you very much, and you guys enjoy your weekend. And give me your feedback and let me know what you think about this idea. Thanks. Take care. Bye.